Welcome back to Ask NCM. I'm Steve Hall at the NCM Institute. I want to talk to you today about something that comes up often in my classes. Whether it's a general management class or whether it is a service class, I seem to get asked the question of, Steve, what's the silver bullet that will fix my hours per repair order? What's the one thing I can do? Well, I kind of chuckle at this because there is no one thing that will automatically fix your sales per RO. But there are several basic things that, if done properly, will increase your dollars per repair order. First of all, realize that most advisors are order takers. They get complacent in their job because of the traffic flow. If they don't sell to one customer, they know they have other vehicles flowing through they can get to, and they'll be able to make up their sales. We have to quit having them just become order takers and actually have them become professional consultants. They need to be able to explain to the customer what's needed on the vehicle. Factory maintenance menus, those type of things with that. Once they do that, that will increase dollars per ticket because now we have the customer coming in for one thing and we're able to talk to them about the other needs of the vehicle according to the manufacturer, and we will get a percentage of purchasers. After that, whenever the vehicle goes into the shop, through our multi-point inspection and additional service request program, we need to be able to present to the customer anything else that is needed on the vehicle. If we have a vehicle that doesn't need anything, sell it to the customer on how good a shape their vehicle's in. We call that selling the green, which is important. It builds relationships, builds trust, and loyalty. But whenever something is needed, we've got to make the presentation. Sometimes advisors get into the situation where they pre-qualify customers. They think, well, this vehicle needs $1,800 worth of items, and it's quite a bit of money, and you know what, I probably don't have that kind of money, so I'm just not even going to present it to them because they wouldn't want to spend that. Well, quit pre-qualifying people. You don't know what their financial situation is or their needs of their vehicle for long term. So we want to be sure and present everything that is needed on a vehicle to every customer. Give them the option. They can always say no or they can say yes, but if you don't present, it's going to be a no all the time. Other than that, we got to work on overcoming objections. There's 5 basic objections that people use: need, urgency, trust, money, and time. Are we training our advisors to overcome these whenever they're selling? So whenever somebody comes up with an objection, which one does it fall in, and do we have the scripts or the thoughts in order to make the production or in order to overcome that? And lastly, watch the number of tickets that your advisors are writing per day. If they're writing too many tickets, they don't need to sell very much, and they don't have time to sell. You got to limit that down. We typically like to see about 15 to 18 tickets a day, or about 12 to 14 actual customers per day. The difference is some customers will have 2 types of tickets, maybe a warranty ticket and a customer pay ticket from the same customer. So if you limit that, then the advisors need to sell, they have the time to sell and the ability, and you'll actually see the sales go up on a per RO basis and a per advisor basis. So this isn't exactly a silver bullet, but it's a list of things you can do that will help your hours per repair order. So good luck with this. As you have more questions, please reach out to myself. I'm Steve Hall, and you can send in your questions to askncm@ncmassociates.com, and I'll be glad to answer them for you. Thank you.